We'll hit one of these behind the back, a little fancy style. A little Kyrie Irving action, except your boy is by far not even close to Kyrie Irving's level. Paul Hossein Wong here, also known as PJ. Finished playing basketball overseas at the university level, and I started playing basketball when I was 17 years old. I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to score easier in transition within the game of basketball. We're basically doing a simple counter move for a layup, and then we're gonna add a few more counters, and then we'll do the other side. Hey, 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 hey. Baile inolvidable. No sé si estoy pronunciando esa canción correcta por Bad Money, but that's a song we have on loop today. First move that we're gonna be doing is one simple move to the basket in transition where we're going at a defender. For us, just for the sake of the drill, we're coming towards the middle, cross jab, going straight down. As we bring it to the other side, we're gonna stunt with our opposite foot, look the other way, and then keep going for an easy layup. Let's do it full speed, yeah, yeah. So I'm coming here, stunt, ah. The other side is pretty straightforward. We're bringing the ball with our right to the opposite side on our left, stunting with our right foot this time, keep it going with our left. Stunt, ah. Keep in mind too, when you guys are going at the basket on that second to last dribble or the last dribble, use that opposite hand, swipe the defender's hand off. The other thing now, we're gonna pretend that the defender is cutting us off that first move. So what we do, we're gonna break it down in two simple things. If the defender is reaching low, we're gonna go above the head, dribble up, catch it with two hands, and then finish towards the basket. If the defender is just reaching up high, and for me, just trying to work on my coordination today, we're gonna go behind the back. So when you guys are doing this move, what I don't want y'all to do is dribble and pick it up with two hands right over here before you bring it to the other side, because if you do that on a really good defender, they're gonna take the ball from you and it's an easy steal. So what it is, dribble, pick it up with two hands on the opposite side where you're gonna finish. And then keep in mind, when we're doing all these counter moves, they are the same thing as we started in the beginning. The only difference is we're gonna be adding new counters on what we can do to score the basket, just in case if the first option doesn't work. Basketball is just a read and react game. Do the moves early before you get to the basket. Don't be doing so much towards the middle, so close to the paint inside, that by the time you do all your counter moves, you're right under the basket. Last part, if I do my first counter, I do my cross jab behind the back, I usually end up on the opposite side. We're gonna pretend that the defender is on both of the counters and they're trying to cut us off. So what we do is we're gonna finish towards the opposite side where we were originally scoring. Here, cross jab, high pick up, ah. Yep, the key thing though, when you do that first counter, is use your eyes to sell the move that you're still going to the opposite side. We're good. So cross jab, high pick up, ah. Yep, there we go. There you have it, y'all. These are the simple moves I like to do in transition to score easier on the basket. Try not to focus on doing so much of variety a lot of the times with different moves, but just a couple you can hone in on. The thing you want on variability is just how you finish at the basket. In other words, like you develop different tools you can use to finish at the basket with ease without memorizing what you're trying to do before it even happens. Just react to the defense. All right. Much love, y'all. I'm about to get to the rest of my workout, but catch y'all in a bit. I'll keep you guys updated with my basketball journey.